ॐ कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि. Good evening. Actually, yesterday I was not present and I was at Tarapet for some healing purpose of mine. And since it was very secret works to be done, and I couldn't upload any more episode for yesterday. Anyway, from my previous continuation, I am again starting with the elaboration of the Shiva Tattva. Shiva the Great, Shiva the Lord, Shiva the Parameswara. Now, Shiva is Panchanan with 5 faces. He has got 5 faces. And all those 5 faces depicts his 5 types of element also. He is elementarily, he is the replica, he is the presentator, he is the representative of the space or ether element. But also inside himself there lies 5 types of other characteristics, and for this reason he is Panchanan. Panchanan in the Ishan, mainly it's the place of Shiva. Ishan and corner means the northeast corner. Northeast corner is the most sacred corner of all the sides and corners, and in Vastu Vigyan also this corner is treated as the energy spot, energy corner, the space of energy for the godly and divine elements, divine vibrations, divine energy that is stored in that place, in that Ishan Karnar. And Shiva has been also named as Ishan. What is Ishan? Ish, Anat is Ishan. Ish, verb, Ish, Purvak Tattva, Anat, Pratyay, that is Ishan. Ish Yukta An, Ishan. Ish matlab Ishwar, the divine capacity, divine energy, most divine form of the Brahma or Supreme Lord, that is Isha. And Ishita. There are also 8 types of Siddhi. Ashtasiddhis, one Siddhi is Ishita. Ishita means the godliness. Whoever in human being, whoever has been able to achieve this element, this type of Siddhi, this type of elementary application, elementary attributes, he becomes a godly person. And for this reason, Isha, Ana, the Dev of all Ishita, all godly energies and divine energies, he is the Lord Shiva. Now, from our ancient scriptures, we find that हमें ये मिलता है. देखिए ईशान जो है, ईशान है उत्तरी पूर्व कोण, जहाँ सबसे बड़ा ऊर्जा रहती है. हमारे विश्वास भी यही है कि भगवान भी रहते हैं. ईशान कोणे भगवान থাকে না আমরা সবাই জানি. আর ঈশ এই কথাটা হচ্ছে ঈশযুক্ত প্রত্যয় থেকে। ঈশ শব্দের অর্থ হচ্ছে ভগবান বা ঈশ্বর। সেই ঈশ্বর ঈশ, ঈশিত্ব, ঈশিত্ব যে সিদ্ধি, সেই সিদ্ধি যার মধ্যে আসে তিনিও ভগবৎ স্বরূপ হিসাবে মানুষের মধ্যে যদি কারো এর মধ্যে সাধনার দ্বারা সেই সিদ্ধি, whoever will be able to achieve this sort of ishita, he will be get the part and particle of Lord Shiva's energy. He will get shared with that energy, and he will be treated, and he will be able to do those godly functions or performances, whatever the God can do. Maybe something something short, something uh, deducted, but he will be able to do. His wish will be fulfilled for some others' welfare. That is the Ishita. And God Ishan, Lord Ishan, the first mentionable face of Lord Shiva. And from that face, it is from the scripture, it's believed that a Krida means game, play. अब ये भगवान की क्रीड़ा क्या है? भगवान की क्रीड़ा है लीला. The gods, his own Maya, he creates the hallucination all over this world, and the happenings, whatever is happening, all are the network of Maya. Maya means hallucination. Each and everybody knows that this world is temporal, and our time, the time of human life, is also bounded by a certain period, a certain time. You have to live this earth. Yet each and everybody tries to get big property, big things, big works, fame, name, money, muscle, everything. But all these are temporal, and all these are, nothing is permanent here. So this माया की जो संसार है, ये माया की संसार से निवृत्त होकर जो अपने आप को शिव संयुक्त भाव सकता है, सोच सकता है, और वही है शिव तत्व, वही है शिव स्वरूप. सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम, शंकराचार्य ने बोला था, वो अपना निर्वाण अष्टक में भी बोल के गया, सच्चिदानंदम रूपम शिवोहम शिवोहम. तो इंसान की यही लक्ष्य होना चाहिए. আমাদের এটাই লক্ষ্য হওয়া উচিত যে আমরা সবাই শিব স্বরূপ, শিবত্ব লাভ করব. Since Shiv is that Devata, Shiv is that God who has not differentiation in between evil and Os. He has no difference between, he has not any, he is totally indifferent about a Mahal or Shamsan, about Kailash or Varanasi, Manikarnika, wherever he can stay, wherever he can live, and with Bhiksha, he is the Rajeshwar. He has got all sorts of Maya, Ratna, Dhan, everything he has. Yet he goes for Bhiksha. What is that Bhiksha? He asks for alms of love, asks for alms of Vairagya, asks for Gyan, wisdom. This sort of things he gives in blessings. Also he asks from his devotees to get in return of that. वो मांगते हैं क्या? वो तो राजेश्वर है. রাজরাজেশ্বরের পাওয়ার কিছু আছে না চাওয়ার কিছু আছে? তবুও তিনি ভিখারি, তিনি রাজ ভিখারি. वो राज भिखारी बनके प्रेम, प्यार, मोहब्बत, आनंद, ज्ञान, भक्ति, ये सब वो मांगते भी है और देते भी है. That is the process of our life and sadhana. Ishan, Lord Ishan, makes this sort of play within our temporal world to show the human being that his own original his original way of life, that is the teachings of Shiva, teachings of Ishan, क्रीड़ा मुख, जो गेम माया की जो खेल है, सारे दुनिया में ये माया की खेल जो रचाए हैं उन्होंने, he himself plays with his devotees and deities till that he is here and his energy is here, and he also exposes some entertainment from there here also. मनोरंजन भी ईशान मुख से आते हैं. मनोरंजन, whoever will have the puja worship of Ishan, of course he will get that peace of mind which will make the mind totally entertained, ultimate entertained. सबसे बड़ा आनंद जो मिलता है वो शिव की ईशान मुख की पूजा से मिलती है. और मनोरंजन की जो विज्ञान, मैंने I have already mentioned about the wisdom, I have already mentioned about the ज्ञान, and now the विज्ञान, the science behind it. मनोरंजन की, मन की, आनंद की ये जो विज्ञान है, this chemistry is also formulated by him through the sadhana of Shiv sadhana. It is the way of life. It is the way of all sorts of completion, accomplishment. It's the way of human life fulfillment. Now this fulfillment, it becomes then only possible when you start with the Ishan face, the face in the corner of northeast corner, that is Ishanatta, Ishitta, and from Ishitta the other faces also will come, and other faces I shall try to discuss afterwards, try to discuss later. Now the thing is that everybody should start with the primary steps. There are big Shiv sadhak, and there are big Shiv tattva gyani. So some sort of tattva gyani, very wise person on Shiva. But if I go for them to ask about the Rishi, Chanda, Nash, etc., they can't answer. This is a tragedy. So start with your Guru, go to your Guru. Since Guru is the parampara, Guru is at the chain of Shiva. Guru is at the end, he is holding the rope of that wisdom which has Shiva discoursed for our welfare, for a very enjoyable life, a life peace of mind, full of peace of mind and accomplishment. Then you should go to your Guru and ask for proper wisdom of Shiva Tattva. Shiva Tattva is very much deeper science, and it has got a big sort of knowledge. It's a big sort of feeling. To discern Shiva, you have to get yourself completely encaptured in the form and guise of Shiva. You have to concentrate and transform yourself into Shiva. Satyam Shivam Sundaram Karpura Gauram Karunavataram Sansarasaram Bhujagendra Haram. Sansar ki sar, who is the main gist of this world and also beyond this world. Shiva is that tattva, and which starts with the Ishan face. You have to learn the all other four faces also from your Guru. Ishanaya Namah, Om Ishanaya Namah, Om Ishanaya Sarva Vidyanam Adhishara, Vrikshadipati Brahmana. ये मंत्र है. I shall not complete it. You better learn it from Guru, because these mantras shouldn't be discoursed and uttered openly. And as I am not getting it completed, there are many competent gurus to show you the path of Shiva. Mind it, until and unless you are not getting the concept of Shiva Tattva and in-depth knowledge of Shiva Tattva, you will not be able to succeed in tantric sadhana. You will not get, even if you want to get the nexus, get the connectivity of the mother, supreme energy. Shiva is not an energy. In perfect form, is in open form, Shiva is not an energy. He stays at the foot of Ma, foot of the supreme energy. So, so it doesn't mean that Shiva has nothing. Shiva is totally ये जड़ है, शब है. Don't think likewise. He apparently he is shab. It's a corpse. Apparently he is corpse. But in the connectivity, it becomes a big, vast energy who can destroy this whole world during the Tandav, Nritya, and everything. It has been come from Shiva. So try to learn Shiva. Thank you very much. Good night.